Mastering collaborative problem solving. The Jigsaw Method. Hey, dear learners! Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of collaborative problem-solving strategies, with a special focus on the Jigsaw Method. This unique approach not only boosts our teamwork skills but also makes language learning more engaging and interactive. Let's explore. The Jigsaw Method is a cooperative learning technique in which students work in small groups. Here's how it works. 1. A topic or text is divided into sections. 2. Each member of a group becomes an expert on one section. 3. Experts from different groups come together to discuss and master their particular segment. 4. After this, they return to their original group and share their expertise. The beauty of this method? Everyone in the group learns from one another, turning the learning process into an interconnected puzzle, much like jigsaw pieces coming together. Collaborative exploration. The Jigsaw Method promotes teamwork. When learning a new language, understanding different perspectives and explanations can be immensely beneficial. Active participation. Each student has a crucial role. This active involvement makes learning more memorable. Varied input. Different experts might have different accents, vocabularies, or ways of explaining. This diversity can be a goldmine for language learners, exposing them to a richer linguistic environment. Wondering how to get started? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose a text. It could be a news article, a story, or a dialogue. Divide it into segments. 2. Form groups. Ideally, 4 to 5 students per group. Each student gets a segment of the text. 3. Expert gathering. Allow time for the experts of the same segment to discuss, clarify doubts, and note down key vocabulary or phrases. 4. Group reconvening. Experts return to their main group and teach their segment. Ensure everyone understands. 5. Group task. Conclude with a collaborative task. It might be summarizing the entire text, answering comprehension questions, or creating a group story using new vocabulary. Rotate roles. Let students experience different sections in multiple sessions. This ensures varied exposure. Encourage notes. During the expert gathering, students should jot down important points to share with their main group. Feedback is gold. After the activity, discuss what went well and areas for improvement. This iterative feedback makes the process more effective. And that wraps up our exploration of the Jigsaw Method. This collaborative technique can be a game changer for English language learners, promoting active participation and varied linguistic exposure. We hope you're as excited as we are to implement it. Remember, every student is a piece of the puzzle. When we come together, the picture is complete. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.